Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I got a question from some of you asking me how to get free traffic for CPA affiliate marketing. So today I'm going to show you two legit and free traffic sources that you can use to promote your CPA affiliate offers. And second on the list is the better. So make sure to watch entire video very carefully so you don't miss any of the important steps. So let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. Before we begin, I first wish to say that you should be careful with CPA affiliate marketing because there is lots of scam offers, and that is why it is best to use big CPA affiliate networks. For this example, I am going to use CPA Lead. After you register on CPA Lead, you should click here on offers and you will come to this page here, and here you can filter offers. As you can see here, you can filter by country. I will stick with United States. Here you can filter with type, and when you click here you can filter by email or surveys, pin, submit, mobile, trial or purchase. I will stick with email, submit and surveys because there is least scam offers in emails and surveys and because they are easiest to promote. Here you can filter by device. I will stick with all device and I will stick with all advertisers. And here when you scroll here you can actually see all the available offers in these categories. Here you can see name of the offer, here you can see type of the offer, and here you can see how much money you can make per survey or email submit. And as you can see, these are not some insane, some big sums, but you can make a good money, and this is why this is actually legit whale, that this is why there is least scam offers in this type of offers. And as you can see here you can promote free Walmart gift card, Amazon gift card, again Walmart gift card. People like free gift cards. That is why these are easiest to promote. So let me just click on Amazon gift card to open it to see this offer. And here you can see more information about this offer. Here you can see description, get $1,000 Amazon gift card. Here you can see type, here you can see preview of the offer. And I always suggest to check every offer before you start promoting it because like I said, there is lots of scam offers. And here you can see you will earn $1.28 for every person who finished the survey. Here you can see targeted country is United States, all devices, and what they need to do, they need to complete a survey. These are usually really simple surveys, and actually main point of these simple surveys is to actually catch the email of these people. And this is our CPA affiliate link that we actually need to promote. Because of many scam offers, many companies do not allow promotion of CPA offers. And that is why you should make landing pages, bridge pages, or one-page websites. And that is exactly what we are going to do. We are going to make a one-page website, and for that we are going to use sites.google.com. It is absolutely free. It's powered by Google. And you will log in with your Gmail. And after you log in, you will come to this page, and next thing you need to do, you need to click here on blank. And you will come to this page here, and we actually need a really simple one-page website that literally anybody can make. And obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to add title. So you will just click here, and I will say, let's say, gift cards. Okay, that is my title, and I also need to change this background image here. So we click here, change image, upload image, and let me just find the image that I already prepared. This is the image, open, and this is it. You can also play with these options here just to see all the things that you can do. Next thing we need to do, we need to actually add our text. And for that, I already prepared some text. This is one of the texts that I used to use for my CPA affiliate offers. And I will also click here, move it here, and I will add Amazon 1000 Amazon gift card. That is our offer, our CPA Lead affiliate offer. I will click here to make it center. I will also enlarge it, let's say 14, and I will also bold. And then I will click here, and I will say something like click here. And I will also click here to make it center. I will also enlarge that, let's say 14, and make it bold. And now I actually need to add my CPA affiliate link. So I will go back on CPA Lead, I will copy this, and I will click on this little chain here. And I will paste my CPA Lead affiliate link. Click here, apply, and as you can see, I added my CPA affiliate link here. And you can also promote multiple offers. So you just scroll here, I will align it on the left side, and you can also go back on CPA Lead, and let's say I wish to promote free Walmart gift card. I will click on this offer, and again you can see more information about this offer. This is my CPA Lead affiliate link here. So you just go back on Google Sites, and I will just, for this example, I will just copy this and I will paste it here. You will obviously adjust this text here to your offers, and you will not just copy and paste these two text here. And I will just move it here, and I will say Walmart gift card. Okay, I will just align it on center. Okay, I will enlarge it on 14 and make it bold. And again, click here. Okay, sorry. And again, I am going to make it on center, and I will enlarge it on 14 and make it bold. And again, I need to add my affiliate, my CPA Lead affiliate link. Just highlight this, go back on CPA Lead, copy affiliate link, go back here, click on this little chain and paste it here, click apply, and that's it. You added your CPA affiliate link here. Now you can also add some images. Just click on one of these templates here and you can add images and text. And after you add all of your CPA affiliate offers, just click here on publish. And now you actually need to add URL, you need to add web address of your website. So let's say gift cards, ZE. Okay, that is available. After that, just click here on publish and that's it. You will publish your Google sites. And you can click here and click on view published site. And this is your link here that you need to promote. And this is how your website will look like. And when someone click on this link, it will take them to this CPA affiliate offer where they can actually get $1,000 Amazon gift card. Now we need to promote this Google site, and there are two free traffic sources that you can use. First free traffic source that you can use for CPA affiliate marketing is Pinterest. Here in search bar just type free gift cards. And you will see that many people are actually promoting free gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, and so on and so on. As you can see here, $100 Amazon gift card, as you can see here, free, how to get free gift cards, and these are actually all affiliate links. These are actually linked to the websites, to the bridge pages, one-page websites where people are promoting different kind of CPA affiliate offers. And you can actually make pins like this really easy in just 5 minutes by using Canva. Just go on free version of Canva. That's right, you should use free version of Canva and click here on social media. And then just find Pinterest. Let me just scroll here to find Pinterest. Okay, this is Pinterest pin. And Canva will automatically give you right size of the pin. So you don't have to go and search what is the right size for Pinterest pins. And you can make your pins from the scratch, or you can simply use one of Canva's templates to make your pins. Let's just say I will use this one here, for example. And you can literally customize everything here. You can customize this text, you can customize this number here, this I don't know, circle here, you can change the color, you can change this image, you can change this website here, or like I said, you can make really simple pins just like this, for example, or or like this, for example. These are all really simple pins that you can make in just 5 minutes in free version of Canva. And when you are adding your image, your photo here on Pinterest, you should not link back to your CPA affiliate offer, you should link back to your Google site. Because like I said, Pinterest doesn't quite like CPA offers. And that is why we made that website, that landing page on Google Sites. Second and better free traffic source for CPA affiliate marketing is Quora. Quora is a question and answer website. So people, when they have questions, they come here on Quora and they ask questions. So here in search bar, we are just going to type free gift cards and click here, and we are going to see are people actually search how to get gift cards. As you can see here, where is the best place to get free gift cards? How can I get free Amazon gift card? What is the best app for earning free gift cards? And so on and so on. Many people ask this question, and you can actually answer on these questions. Let me just click on this first one here, for example, and you can link back to your Google site where people can actually fill those surveys, and in that case you will earn $1.28 for every person who actually filled the survey. And as you can see here, there is 5 answers on this question, and this is actually a passive income because Quora will keep sending traffic to your Google sites as long as you do not delete your Quora account. Like I said, Quora will keep sending you traffic in next 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. So you will be making passive income. And you should answer all of these questions here. Free gift cards. But you can also add Amazon, for example. Let me just click here and I will add Amazon. And click search. And Quora will give you all the questions, all the people who actually asked how to get a free Amazon gift card, as you can see here. And you should answer on all of these questions. You can also search how to get free Walmart gift card, how to get free eBay gift card, and so on and so on, how to get a free iPhone, and so on and so on. You should answer on all of those questions, and you should link back to your Google site where you can actually promote your CPA offers. And like I said, every time someone filled one of those surveys, you will earn a commission. You will earn 50 cents, $1, $2. And the more questions you answer, the more people you will send to your Google sites, and more people will fill those surveys, and more money you will make. And like I said, both of these ways are actually passive income because both Pinterest and Quora will continue sending you traffic for free in next 6 months, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. So basically, this is passive CPA affiliate marketing. So these are 2 free traffic sources that you can use for CPA affiliate marketing even if you are a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.